Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you both are fantastic. First of all, I would like to welcome in 7th standards. Now you enter in 7th standard. It's a very great thing. It's a grand welcome to each and every student. This is very exciting thing. There is no bounds of your happiness because you are at home and you are so safe. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay at your home. Myself, Deshmukh Shumangi Vikram Rao, as your English teacher. So now, not taking so much time, let's turn towards our study. So, this is the world of, this is the image of world. What do you see in this picture? This is a world image, okay, where all the people live together. We live on this earth. So, how is this world? What is in that world? So we will see through this poem. Our poem is, it's a small world. It's a small world. So how is this world? So now we will see. First of all, it's a world of laughter. It's a world of laughter. It's a world of laughter. Laughter means when these are the children like you. They are laughing as like you. When we laugh loudly, when we feel so happy, when we become so happy, that time we laugh loudly. This means the whole world is full of happiness, full of good things. There are a different reason of your happiness. That's why this Richard James Sherman and Robert B. Sherman, these both brothers, mentioned in this poem, this whole world is full of happiness. This world is laughter. Means when we want what we want in our life, when we get it, so definitely just we become so happy and we laugh. So this is the meaning of this world. This world is full of happiness. This world is laughter. Now next is a world of tears. A world of tears. We can see in this picture, this child is crying. Why it's crying? Because of different reason. So now, means why we cry out? Whenever we don't get what you want, that time definitely we cry out. Whenever our teacher scolded by us, whenever means scolded by our teacher, so definitely we cry out. Okay, whenever we don't get chocolate from your parents, so we cry out. In this way, this whole world is full of grief and full of sorrow. Which means these tears are the symbol of grief, symbol of sorrow. When we feel so unhappy, there are different reasons. In this way, means which people lives in this world, these peoples have lots of grief, lots of sorrow. That's why these Sherman brothers described in this poem, this world is full of tears. This is a world of tears. Now the next one is, it's a world of hopes. It's a world of hopes. We can see in this picture the small children are there and they are praying to that God. They are wishing to that God. When we wish to that God, whenever we want something, what do we want in our life? Whenever we want, okay, something from that God, that time we wish to that God, we pray to that God. Next we will see the current example. Now we all know about today's situation in the world. Our world is going through such a very great difficulty. We are fighting against COVID-19. So this is all world is praying to that God to protect whole world from this COVID-19. That means our whole world is praying to that God and God will help us. This is hope. Definitely God will help us. This is a hope. That's why the Sherman means, that's why this poet said that this world is full of hopes. We live on hopes. So the next is, this is, we can see in this picture, what do you see in this picture? This is little girl is there who is frightening. She is fearing. Okay, when we fear, when we frighten, whenever, suppose suddenly at that moment, suddenly when we will see a tiger in front of our eyes, so definitely we fear. We just fear came in our mind. we run away from the tiger because we know the side effects of that. Whenever we confront it, we are confront with that tiger. So it means like that. Now someone will say to you, don't go outside because so vastly COVID-19 is spreading all over India. So don't go outside, stay at your home. So definitely we don't go outside because of fear, because we have a fear about this danger disease. We have a fear about this terrible disease. In this way, this whole world is full of fear. Its world is laughter, it's a world of hopes, it's a world of fear. Now, there is so much that we share. There is so much that we share means in our school life, we share our tiffin with our best friend. We share our chocolates with our friends. So, it's time to be aware. It's time to be aware. It's a whole small world after all. It's world small after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world. Now, let's see what is in that world. It's a moon who shines very beautifully at night. There is only one moon all over the world who shines very beautifully at night. Do you like the moon? Definitely. Does everybody like this moon? Okay. So, there is only one moon in the world. Okay. Is it two moons in the world? No. Definitely no. There is only one moon all over the world. Still, and now there is one sun. One golden sun in this world who brightens all over the India, and these two visible gifted God gifted things, these are the sun, the golden sun, and the very beautifully moon has a God gifted things which is shines their same grace and same beauty. That's why this poet described in this poem, there is just one moon and one golden sun, and smile means a friendship to everyone, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Means whenever we smile at anyone, at that time definitely we became so happy, and we are we friendly with each other. It means we friendly with each other. We can see in this picture how they are happy with each other. They are friends. Whenever the everywhere smile welcome a friendship. This is a meaning of friendship to everyone. Means a smile means a friendship to everyone. Always keep smile on your face. Whenever we smile, that time we get a strength to face any problem in this world. That's why keep smiling on your face and stay happy. Okay, stay healthy. So, now next is, though the mountains divide and the oceans are white. In this picture we can see, though the mountains divide and the oceans are white. It means these two mountains which is divided into two different regions. Okay, which is divided into two different regions, and they different means all the countries, they are different. All the different countries means between that are two countries. Okay, the different countries are away from each other. These are like barriers, but now still the whole world is in this small place. Means in this world, this is very a small place for these barriers. It means the whole world small. It's a small world after wall. It's a small world after wall. It's a small world after wall. It means it's a world of laughter, it's a world of tears, it's a world of hopes, it's a world of fears. That we share, that it should be, we have to be aware, because it's a small world after all. There is only one golden sun, and there is only one golden moon. There is only one sun, one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means to friendship to everyone, because of though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world means it's a small world after all. So now let's learn this poem through this song, okay, with your action. So
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share.